Okay, I'm in Dresden now, or still. Today is day number 12 and yeah, I had already some beer. Yeah, and that's a good reason because yeah, I started the day at 9 with some jogging and then we went to visit a brewery. And it was really nice. The guy, the brewing boss or chef, I don't know how they are called in English, explained us how it's working, all the brewing processes, and we were tasting some different kinds of the beers which he's brewing. It's a really small brewery, not exporting at all, not delivering like the supermarkets or shops. And this one is called Waldschlösschen. Very nice. Yeah, afterwards we had some drinking game with friends of Dirk. Then we picked up our friend Frank because we made a surprise party or visit with a friend of us, Connie, who just gave, oh, not he, but his girlfriend just gave birth of a child, and he's the first one of my friends who has a child now, and I'm really happy to be Uncle Eric now, Uncle Eric. Yeah, and we are celebrating this tonight. So I'm sitting now in the room of my brother. The others are sitting in the kitchen. We're having some self-made pizza, drinking beer, and our famous Gurken vodka, cucumber with vodka and ginger ale. Very tasty. And later, let's see. Ja.
Jedenfalls hat er dann hier zu Hause gekotzt. Wie so ein Bauer benimmt er sich da. Und am nächsten Morgen.
So today we want to rock.